New at 11, as worries about coronavirus ease, many people are left with other health concerns brought on by the pandemic. Weight gain, depression, sleep issues, and heavy drinking are all up. Now we're learning how you handle the stress in your life is partly genetic. You're born with it. KOMO's Molly Shen explains.
Work, school, finances, family, isolation. Stress levels have been sky high during the pandemic. Seattle's Portage Bay Cafe had to write out closures and government mandates.
The last 2 years, it's been totally predicated on the coronavirus and what the government is imposing to try to control the coronavirus.
Even as we inch towards normal,
I am a high school math teacher. Yes.
Life dishes up a full plate of stress.
Predominantly from work and keeping up with all of those expectations, family sometimes, and the things that need to be done as soon as I get off of work. My pets, they're familiar.
Now, researchers in Seattle are taking a deep dive into how our bodies respond to that stress and how much of it is genetic.
So you're born with a sort of set of susceptibilities. You might be very resilient to certain kinds of symptoms of stress and really, really sensitive to others.
So how much do I either thank or blame my parents for how I respond to stress?
We're all born with susceptibilities. That doesn't mean that we're going to manifest them.
Dr. Stubbs says you might be hardwired to react to stress in ways that can lead to serious health conditions, including obesity, depression, and anxiety.
There's a huge array of diseases and disorders that are associated with overactivation of that alarm system.
Of being too stressed out?
Yes, and feeling that you're under threat to some degree, and that's kind of what stress is all about.
Someday, she says your doctor will be able to look at your genetic code before deciding how to treat your stress and connected conditions. Until then, she says to focus on minimizing your stress. For Dominique Connor, that means brunch with friends. For John Gunner, it's exercise.
It's a part of my lifestyle. And I would, it'd be, for the last couple of years, I've been lost without it.
You can break the stress cycle, even the part you're born with. Molly Shen, KOMO News.
As doctors learn more about the role of genetics and stress response, they'll be able to tailor treatment. For example, they might find your genes make you more likely to respond to psychological treatment instead of a drug therapy. You can read more about this study on our website, KOMOnews.com.